Today I'm diving for river trash. It's been a year since we last cleaned this place, so I think there might be a few more pieces of trash here. This is also the place where we found the World War II mortar and the guns, so there might be some interesting finds here today. Okay, let's start diving. First piece of trash, fish packaging. One bottle. Plastic bag. And candy wrappers. Already getting full. Let's see if we get anything here. Oh yeah, there's a plastic bag. And therefore, what the heck? A lot of duct tape. Now that's pretty much full, but I hope to get a bit more out. Let's see. I'm almost back at the start, and I just noticed an old skateboard. I've seen better days. I'll take that as well. That's it.